guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Valeria, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a mix. Hold on. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. It's kind of the same, but a little bit different. There's a little bit of a twist at the end. That's what I meant. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is my current summer look. Stick around to the end of the video because I do have something special, and you never know, it might have something to do with you. You. And let's go ahead and jump right into this video. And the video starts right about now. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the foundation and the primer, but I'm gonna do that all off on camera because I do that all the time on camera. I don't think you guys really need to see it anymore. It's nothing really special anyways. So I'll be right back 1 second. Okay, so I'm back and I kind of cheated. I went ahead a couple extra steps and filled in my eyebrows too off camera. So I used the Profusions palette for my eyebrows, not really for my, you have your eyeshadows, you have eyebrows here, and you have these gels like for your eyeliner. So I use this brown one here that you can even tell like how well used it is. So what I like to use for primer is the Marc Jacobs primer right here. It's the coconut one, Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. For the foundation, because now I'm moving into my summer color, so I can go back to wearing my dark foundation, yes! I use the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir, and I'm in the color now 642, and that's medium beige. I really do like this foundation a lot. Really lightweight. It's dewy. It's like half matte, half dewy. So you can kind of see in my skin like there's a slight shine, but it's not like, wow, you look greasy. You know what I mean? So I really like it like that. And it's full coverage. Yeah, full coverage. And it has SPF 20. Oh! Perfect for vacation. And then for my concealer, I use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. So to set my eyes now, I use the Pro Contour palette by Profusion Cosmetics. Basically, I use Profusion quite a bit. This is the palette right here. Pretty worn out, as you can see. What I use is just like a nice like slanted brush. It's going to set the concealer and it's going to set the foundation as well. And by doing this, when you set your face with powder, you start to look more matte. But now that it's summertime, I really like to look dewy. It makes you look fresh and vibrant. And makes you look like you're glowing. So I like to aim for products that have like a little bit of dewiness in them. Okay. So moving on, I do like to put bronzer on. So I'm just going to go ahead in my Profusions palette and pick up like that bronze shade that you see that's like almost done. And then I go around the outside of my face. And I normally put a lot of bronzer because I find that because of my concealer, my face gets so bright. And I don't like looking like a ghost on camera. The next step is blush. And I have 3 blushes that I combine all together to get the effect that I like. I have this little blush from Makeup Forever, and it's like in a little container like that. I got it from the Points Rewards from Sephora. Honestly, I love this color. If I was able to like zoom in nicely on it, it's pink and it has like this gold shimmer in it. I don't know why for summertime I'm obsessed with shimmers. Fard à Joie blush. That's basically all I see. And I don't even know how the heck to really pronounce that. Like, is that the name of it? I don't know. Then I have a number on the back that says B302, so maybe that's it. Aim right on the apple of my cheeks. Benefit Dandelion Twinkle Blush, but it's sort of like a highlighter, I feel, or like a shimmer. I don't know. They say you can use it as a blush, but I feel like it's just like a highlighter. But anyway, so I just pat it on because this kind of leaves like a white cast on your face, and then I'm going to go all around my face. So over here. I feel like this makes my face look glowy and vibrant. Okay, so we're almost done. I'm just looking for this lipstick that I have. I have no idea where the heck it is. I lost the lipstick. Like, I don't know where it went. So while I was saying I lost the lipstick, I turned around and it was literally perched right here on top of my speaker. So this is the lipstick, but this one's cute too. So this is the one from Wander. So this is in the color BB, and it's like that. That is gorgeous, and I love how it's a dual lipstick, so you boom, pop it in, you got 2 lipsticks in one. That is a beautiful color. Like, I would wear this every day. But this is the color I was talking about. This is from Laura Mercier, and it's called Sensual. This also came on Points Rewards from Sephora. And this is the one I was talking about. Like this pinky, nudie lipstick, and it's beautiful. I don't know, I'm kind of not feeling it today. I always overdraw one lip more than the other. Oh my god, it's literally like putting on eyeliner. If you overline one side more than the other, then you overline the other side, and then you overline it more, and then you're like bouncing back and forth. The final and last step that I do is my mascara. This is from L'Oreal. It's their Voluminous Lash Lash Paradise in Mystic Black. They have so many options for black. It's like black, very black, and then Mystic Black, and I was just like, what is the difference here? So apparently this one has a lot more black pigmentation in it, and I was like, okay, sure, I like when my eyelashes are like super black, so I'm gonna go and apply this, but only to the top lash line. Very carefully apply to your top lashes. This shit gets everywhere. When Daniel did this to me in my video, I was literally shitting my pants. Like, when it's somebody else doing your makeup, it feels so odd. Especially when it comes to the mascara. You're like freaking out because the stick is coming towards your eye and you have no control over it. If you guys haven't seen that video, I recommend you guys check that out. Actually, the video me and Daniel when we're doing the whisper challenge, that is hilarious. You should check that out. If you guys haven't watched those videos, Daniel's my boyfriend. Whatever is left of my wand, I just do a little bit to my lash line. Go ahead, go get like some beach waves, spray your hair, get some mermaid locks, and this is it. This is the look. This is my new summer look. Very simple, very relaxed. Only the blushes were extra. That's because I like to be pinky. I personally love this look. I like looking natural but fresh. I just have like a little bit of mascara on, so just to give me a little bit of definition in my eyes. Anyways, so this is the look right here. I kind of wanted to talk more in it, like do the get ready with me kind of thing, but I still can't do a get ready with me and talk and do makeup at the same time. I'm like doing my lipstick, I'm like, this is my favorite lipstick. It's just you can't see it because I cut it all out. So basically, June is literally right around the corner. Today's May 30th. I don't know when this video is going to come out. It may come out like June 1st. It depends on like how lazy I am. So now that it's June, VidCon's around the corner. And that's probably like the craziest thing going on in my life. And I'm pretty sure from what Olivia, who I'm going with, has told me, I actually get to meet Christine, who is Simply Nailogical, who is also Canadian, because I'm Canadian, and I'm super psyched for that. She was probably the only one that I realistically wanted to meet. There was Manny anyway that I wanted to meet, but he's not in the meet and greet lottery, unfortunately. And then I'm also meeting Soleil. If you guys don't know who that is, I'll put her link down below. She's a YouTuber that plays horror games. She's so freaking hilarious. If you guys have not seen her play horror games, you're missing out. You need to go watch her. Like, whatever subs I have here that do watch this channel, and you guys love horror games, you need to check her out. And then I'm meeting like a few other people. These people also play horror games. Most of you guys, like 99% of you guys know him because I know you guys come from his streams and you guys come to me because I'm the moderator. And then you like subscribe to me, but if you guys know who he is, Omar Sabali, he's freaking jokes as well, you know, squeaky voice and everything like that, you know, pretend to be all macho and everything like that. Macho, macho. What are those? The Game Salmon, I really hope I get to meet him. Hopefully he's just around Omar and they'll be like, oh my god, hi Sam, like fangirl, like crazy. I know they're just humans, but like, damn. Even meeting Soleil, I'm gonna shit my pants, because we're like, it's just like seeing these people on screen for so long and then you finally getting to meet them and they're not in that little square box in the screen anymore. Like, they have legs. You know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna see their legs for once, and it's gonna literally just blow my mind. What else is going on? June 30th is my birthday. What I really, really want to do though, and before my camera overheats and dies on me again, is I really want to give like a few shout outs to some people who have been very, very supportive on my channel. I really want to start doing this from now on, but I really want to give shout outs to those people who are showing support and who are really there for me and very, very sweet and very friendly, who are giving me advice and everything like that. So the first one is Blue Flame Gaming and Vlogs. He, I believe, if I do get this wrong, he or she, don't be offended. Sometimes I don't know, or I know and I forget. So you guys can always tell me a little bit about yourself down below in the comments or whatever. So Blue Flame Gaming and Vlogs, super sweet, gives me amazing advice, especially when I play Fortnite, and gives me requests, very supportive. I just want to say like a huge thank you to you because you're basically the only one that's been doing requests for my channel, and I appreciate that because it kind of lets me know where I need to go and what people would want to see. So I really like if other people were to kind of follow that lead that you're doing so that I can figure out how to do things more. It will help me grow. So thank you so much for being there. The next one is pulling out my YouTube channel because this is where I have all the people. So this is one person who asked for a shout out like a long time ago. I don't know if you're he or she, but I did talk to you in some streams. I found like you were super nice and very supportive. Always sending like positive vibes towards my channel, and I really appreciate that. I don't know how to really say this name. It's Roldofe. Super sweet. You don't really comment as much, but I know that you're very supportive and very nice. So thank you so much for being there and watching and liking all my videos. And then I can't forget these two. As soon as they found out that I was doing videos, they came over and started supporting my channel. Just about to say her name, she liked one of my tweets. There's Jasmine and there's Janae, and I think I got your name right, Janae, because I learned that through Omar. You guys have been very supportive. As Jasmine just comments on my tweet because my camera died and I just sent out a tweet about it. You guys have been very supportive, always replying back to me, always talking to me, always been there watching my videos, kind of posting like very sweet comments on it. And those are the comments that I really like to read. Especially someone who has like no feedback. It's just nice to see like friends writing on my videos and I read them and it makes me feel better about my videos. You know what I mean? So thank you both so much. And then I have this girl who I might butcher your name, and I'm so sorry if I do. I believe it's Xavier. Oh my god, I really hope I say it right. I'm so sorry. You are so sweet. Like, I don't know when I met you or how, I don't know where, but you just came in, and I always look for your comments now because you're always posting something and it's always so sweet and always so supportive. I love it. And I love how you include me in your tweets, like how you're starting up your channel. It just makes me feel so nice that there's such friendly people out there. And I love the fact that every time I tweet something, you always like come and laugh at it. You make me feel like I'm hilarious. By the way, guys, I do have my Twitter down below in the description, so do follow me because I am funny. At least I think I'm funny. Okay, so follow me. All right. Oh yes. Can't forget about you. Her YouTube name is Ella Star, but her Twitter is Grace Ann. So I think your name is Grace Ann. Thank you so much. You are such a sweet girl, and I know you're working on your channel as well. I know you're working really hard in life, period. I think you're in school and you're studying. Good luck to you. Okay, I know it's a struggle. It's really awful. School sucks, but you need school. Stay in school as much as you can. Thank you so much for being so sweet, so supportive. You are hilarious to talk to. Like, you guys, honestly, like all of you guys, make me feel so special. And even though you guys aren't really doing anything big, it's just the little things that you guys are doing. It means something to me. You guys are the ones that I'm posting for. You guys are the ones I'm making content for. But like I said, I really want these shows to become a thing because I really want people to know that I'm looking and I'm appreciating every single thing that they do on my channel. The last person I'm going to talk about is Olivia Heron. Olivia Heron is somebody that I met 2 years ago. And forever since, she's been like a sister to me. She's been the ultimate supporter of me in life and my channel. She's always like commenting, she's always liking my videos, she watches them, and then she talks to me and then she gives me like feedback. I love you, you're like the best among the best. If I haven't told a story about Olivia, I'm gonna tell it now. I met Olivia 2 years ago in one of Omar Sabali's streams. I don't know what the heck we were even talking about, but we clicked like immediately. We sent each other snaps, and then ever since then we've talked from like morning to morning. Olivia's also one of the people I'm getting to meet finally. She's like my long lost sister. It's like we were meant to meet each other. Like we're kind of like soulmates in a different way. Love you, girl. I'm gonna link Olivia's channel in the description as well as Soleil's, so you guys need to check out both. Thank you guys so much for being so supportive of my channel. I know I don't really post very often, and I just want to say I appreciate everything that you guys are doing for my channel. The fact that you guys sit there and watch even like a little bit of it, it means the world to me. So thank you guys so much for watching, for listening in. Hopefully I catch you guys at the end of this video. Click the thumbs up button if you guys like the video. Leave a comment down below, tell me a little bit about you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter because I also do reply to people there. And subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you guys are aware when I post. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!